What's up, guys? It is the day. Got some more time today, dog, and we are about to get this thing detailed up, looking as best as we possibly can get it without removing the dents or anything. We might even hit the junkyard and try to find a tail light for that, but we're gonna get these two stickers off, or tapes or whatever, and then we're gonna head to the wash and get this thing all detailed up. So just a hot second, I'll be right back out.
The show, bring it up. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go. Put it up. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go. Car number 5. I got a 2012 Ford Fusion. Come on out and kick the tires. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Put it in park. Open the doors. Let the. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about? Let's get the auction started. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about here? A little bit Ford Fusion time. A little bit. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Where to go? Let's go. A little bit 500 now. Where to go? 6. Got it now. 7. A little bit 7 now. Where to go? 8 now. Where to go? 9 now. Where to go? 1,000 now. Where to go? $1,100. A little bit 2. A little bit 2. Got it now. Where to go? 22.50. A little bit 22.50. Got it now. Where to go? 23. A little bit 3 now. Where to go? 23.50. A little bit 24. I got 2 people. Stop. 24. 24.50 to the left. First time. Heck, got it. 25. You're in at 24.50. Got to be 25. Heck, I like your style. 26, 26.50, 27, 28. A little bit 27 now. We're going to go 8. A little bit 27.50. Heck, downstairs. Now 8 to the left. 28.50. A little bit 28 now. I got 2,800 to the left. A little bit 28 now. We're going to go 50. 28 now. We're going to go 50 now. We're going to go 28 now. We're going to go 50. 28 now. We're going to go 50. Man, you want to be 28.50. I got 28 to the left. All in, all done. Selling the car. Last call, gotta go. Sold. $2,800. 108, $2,800. Let's rock and roll. Park sounds good. Listen up. It's only got 104,000 miles on it. 2012 Jetta. $1,500. Got it. $1,500 bid. 72 grand. 22.50. A little bit 2,000. You want to be 20? Listen up. This is cash only. The title is in, and we're picking up. We're giving you a gift of paying the sales tax tonight for you. Star of the show. How many people are going fishing tomorrow? Yes, sir. July 26th. Stop. We got a problem here. Yeah. It's overheat. We're just going to, folks, if you want to continue with what it says, if not, we're going to take it out. We'll bring it back next week and need some fluid. Let's wait. He's going to see. If we do, we'll continue. But when that happens while we're bidding, that's the best thing to do.
What's up, guys? We are finally about to go get this thing cleaned up, fully detailed, and some more stuff. But first, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in. I actually started driving this car this morning, like as a daily. So, I mean, it was doing pretty good. Still doing great. The windows make this thing look that much better. And we're just gonna hit the auction really quick because they have like a car that I'm interested in. So I want to see how much it goes for. If it goes for the right price, then I'll bid on it and buy it. So I just want to check that out really quick before we get started, and then we'll be on our way. And this thing is riding smooth. We're cruising at about 65, 70 miles an hour. No lights on the dash. Smooth as heck. Steering wheel straight for the most part. Man, I kind of like this thing. I think I'm going to be enjoying this thing every day. Like, I got a whole speeding ticket in my Camaro yesterday, so I'm so like totally off that for the time being. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of this here coming.
Good now to go 59, huh?
Head gasket.
Bad head gasket. Got a bad head gasket. Put it on the money for who don't. I got 325. 325 now. I'm going to go 50. I'm selling the car. It's got a bad head gasket.
Yep.
Bad head gasket. 350. I bid 350 now. I'm going to go 375. I bid 350 now. I'm going to go 375 now. I'm going to go 350 now. I'm going to go 375. Selling the car. 375. Got it. I'm going to go 4. I bid 4. Derek. I bid 4. Yeah, Derek. I bid 4. Is that 4? Got it. I'm going to go 4 and a quarter. Oh, wow. Oh, my God. He got a number confused. Oh, my God. What do we got? I'm James the Wingman. That will not auction. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? Give it a try sometime, James. You'll realize how many mistakes I do not make. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. Let's go now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. Let's go. I'll make up for it now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. What is it, Dana? Hey, the 2010 now. I'm going to go Malibu. Put it on the miles. 145 and the miles. 2-tone clean. It's got the 2-tone clean.
It's missing a whole damn radio.
What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. Let's go. Put it on the money now. What are you guys thinking about now? What are you thinking about here? Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. What is down now? Thinking about here. Put it on the money now. What are you thinking about now? I'm going to go. Thinking about now. I'm going to go. Come on. We got free tacos. We don't give free cars. Sorry. Gotta go. Bid 550. Bid 550. Got it now. With the 6. Bid 6. Got it now. With the 650. Now with the 7. Bid 7. Bid 7 now. With the 7 now. With the 7 now. With the 7 now. With the 750 now. With the 8 to the right. James to the right. With the 850 to the young lady to the right. We gotta do 850, man. We gotta do 850. I can't see you. Check your James. Far right. 850. Got it. Bid 9.
Corner.
Bid 875 now. With the 9. 875 now. With the 9. James is in 899 now. With the quarter. Bid half. Bid half is out in the green. James 950. Bid 950. Bid 950 now. With the 975 now. With the $1,000. Bid 1,000 now. With the quarter now. With the 50. 250. Let's go. It's the battle of the colors. Bid 1350. Bid 1375. 1375. Mountain's Edge. Wow. Bid 1350. He's in at 1350 in the green. He's in at 1375. 1400. Bid 1400. 1400. 1400.
Yes.
Yep, got it. 14 and a quarter.
Quarter, sir.
14 and a quarter. 14 now with a go quarter.
Almost.
Bid 14 now with a go quarter. Selling the car. Last call. Is he okay? I'm selling it. 15 now with a go quarter. All in, all done. So $1,400.
We won it.
Hey, look at this on the hook.
Alrighty, guys, you see it. We won that 2010 Chevy Malibu with 140,000 miles on the dash. Clean title. Needs some little minor parts. It does run and drive, like by the radiator and stuff, just to hold it up straight, I'm guessing. But yeah, I think we got a pretty good deal on that. So we'll go get this Altima all washed up and detailed for the most part, and then maybe tomorrow or the next day we'll pick up that car, and then I'll let you guys see that. It's finally time. Finally. Let's get up in here. So while we got some time on our hands, tell me what you guys think about the 2010 Chevy Malibu that we just bidded on and won. Now, I do have the option to pass on it, and I do have the option to pick it up. I already paid the deposit, so it's mine. I just have to go pay the rest and pick it up. So what do you guys think? Is that a good buy for $1,600? Well, I won it for $1,500. After taxes, it was like $1,600. So you guys let me know if you guys think that's a good deal or not. We finally got this thing wet down, some water on it. Let's get our key so we don't get locked out this joint. Still got some of that white paper we need to get off. The sides actually look pretty decent. It's really just this sticker stuff that we gotta find some way to get off. If you guys know how to get this stuff off, please comment in the comments below and let me know. They put duct tape on the trunk here. I know a pressure washer isn't going to be too much different output, but yeah, the wheels look a lot cleaner. Everything looks cleaner on this thing. Let's get it cleaned up though. Okay guys, we pretty much got clean what we can get here done. Little push through car wash. We gotta try going to the other car wash and get that pressure washer and see what we can do about this this tape and stuff right here. We gotta get some armor off. We're actually gonna go detail the whole thing up at the house with like detailing spray. Of course, get all this stuff off the hood off. It'd be easier to get this off now, run it back through, and then go get the pressure washer and stuff later. So I might do this right now. But honestly, it's really hot out here, and I gotta take a reset. So I'll probably just wait on that. But for the most part, it is looking pretty decent. It is drivable. Like, it looks good. Check out the inside. Don't worry about that stuff down there. You guys remember that window was out? Everything looks really good in here. Pretty clean car. It's early morning here, dog, and we are trying to get this thing shined up for what we can do. We're using some of that Meguiar's quick detailer. Yeah, that's still on there. This is not getting that out. We kind of got the side all sprayed down. This might be the cleanest the side is gonna get. You can't really see how it pops because the sun isn't out yet. But yeah, that's why I didn't do this yesterday. It was just too hot. Alrighty, so now we're gonna use this Meguiar's hot foam shine. We're gonna get these tires wiped up and cleaned. And then after we're done with that, we're gonna come get that inside clean and dandy for the last final time. And then we'll be done with it. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I'm mad as heck. I went to LA yesterday in this thing and I didn't get the cruise for you. It was so epic. I'm mad I didn't get a chance to record it, man. As for the Altima, just was a quick update. It wasn't its own video, so that's why, you know, it wasn't really nothing done to the car. But in the next video, it'll be just about this car, and we'll be going to pick apart today. We're gonna get the tail light for that. We're gonna get the side mirrors. We're gonna get that logo up front. The headlight is cool. We might just need a bulb. If we can find it for cheap, we'll get a headlight today. But we'll get this side mirror. We should be good on that. I'm not gonna worry about that tail light so bad, but more so just this one. Then a mobile body paint guy is gonna come and pull out this dent. We're gonna try to see if they have a door up there at Pick Apart too today. So stay tuned for that video, and catch you guys later. Peace. As for the car that we won, I don't know if I want to pick it up yet, man. Still trying to contemplate and see what I want to do. But in the next video, I guess I'll give you an update and see what we're gonna do on that. Because as you know, I already put a deposit down, so either way I can take it, or I'll just lose the 100 and spend the 1,500 and try to make an extra like $500 or something. But it's just a lot of money that you're gonna have to put into that may not be worth it in the end. So just trying to move a little bit smarter. So yeah, stay tuned for that.